What's up?
Nothing much.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm.
What's your name?
My name is Omar.
What's your surname?
Isa.
What's your profession?
I'm English teacher.
Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office.
Where do you live?
I live in Scotland.
What's your email address?
You can email me at omar@gmail.com.
Can I ask some personal questions?
Certainly.
Are you single?
No, I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
When is your birthday?
July 5th.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Where are you going for your last vacation?
I'm not sure. I might go to Canada.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
How come this is so expensive?
It's good quality.
Why are you studying in English?
To communicate when I travel.
Do you know where my phone is?
Your phone is on the table.
What did you say?
I said, where are you from?
Where would you like to go?
I like to go home.
Is your mother at home?
No, she's out.
Do you have a camera?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite type of books?
I love reading about different cultures.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you want to walk or take the bus?
Let's take the bus.
Does he speak English well?
Yes, he speaks English better than I do.
How long have you been learning English?
For 2 years.
Should I call you tonight?
No, call me in the morning.
Is your wife a doctor?
No, she is a nurse.
Are you going to study tonight?
I tried, but I probably won't.
How is your mother?
She is 40 years old, 2 years younger than my father.
How is your family?
My family is fine.
Have you been to China?
Yep, I was there last year.
Do you know any German?
I only know how to say hi in German.
Do you watch the news?
I watch it every day.
How can I contact you?
You can call me on my cell phone.
Where did you go?
I went shopping with a friend.
Are these your keys?
Yes, they are.
What are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
I'm working.
How was the program?
It was good time.
Are you coming back soon?
Yes, I'll be back next week.
Can you give me a hand?
Sorry, I'm a bit busy at the moment.
What did you buy?
We got some new clothes on sale.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
What newspaper do you read?
I read the New York Times.
Are your friends staying at a hotel?
No, they are staying with me.
How often do you come here?
I come here almost every day.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and relaxing at home.
How can I help you?
Yes, please, I want something bigger.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the bank.
How tall are you?
I'm about 6 feet tall.
Who do you usually go with?
I often go with my family, sometimes with my friends.
Did you call Anisha?
Oh no, I forgot. I will call her now.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep well last night.
What make you happy?
Going to the beach.